that dates the 8th of October 2021. We have Pohjoisranta Northern 20, as you can see here in Kronohagen, Helsinki, Finland. And I've been to this Texas A&B as well, even though this is not the most important conmemorization because they have only folding doors but no communicator inside. But also not the worst possible one.
Yeah.
It's in Swedish and Finnish. But Silvandra is enough here because we don't have time due to that.
Mm.
It was built in 1954, modernized in late 1999, and with the original metal plate still intact. The serial number is H5616. So let's have a closer look at it. It's very nice. That metal plate is very nice.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2023. Those doors are too slow.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure, but this could also be finished 1955.
Yeah.
But I'll check that information later. They used to have MP4 buttons and MP4 the mechanical fabricators also.
Yeah.
One of two types that it had.
Yeah.
We don't know for sure what they used to be.
Mm.
Like exactly what type of indicator it was. But it was mechanical.
Yeah.
Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Hissi.
Yeah. I like the sounds here, but I don't like the folding in the doors.
Yeah, same here.
And then, of course, they should have made them faster also.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's